How to share Facebook post to Instagram. So if you want to share your Facebook post, all you have to do is open up your Instagram and then go to your profile, and on the upper right corner you will have a 3-barred icon. Tap on that and then head over to settings and privacy, and you will find an option which says account center. Tap on account center, and here, before moving on, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. So before sharing Facebook post to Instagram, what you have to make sure is that you have connected your Facebook and Instagram together so that you can post it to Instagram. So make sure that you have linked your Facebook to your Instagram, and after that you can go on connected experiences, and then here you will have two options: sharing across profiles and logging in with accounts. So tap on sharing across profiles, and then here tap on Instagram, and make sure that you have turned on the automatically share options, and after that tap on Facebook, and here also make sure that you have automatically share options are turned on. After making that sure, then you can simply go to your Facebook and then try to create a new post. So after adding your post, on the upper corner you will have three options. One is for public, the another one is for album, and the another one is for Instagram. So tap on that Instagram and then make sure you have turned on this one. So if you turn this on, this post will also be shared to your Instagram. So this is the only way, and that's how you share your Facebook post to Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.